How to show or hide caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button. Next, from the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. From here, tap on show your caller ID. Now to turn it off, select never, or you could choose always to turn it on, or you could select your network default, and with the network default, it will always show your caller ID. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. That is how you can show or hide your caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.